ChromeOS looks like this and Windows looks like this. And if you want to make ChromeOS look like Windows, follow this tutorial. And as you can see, it's 100% working with moving apps and programs. So just open Play Store and then search for Microsoft Launcher. And as you can see, this is Microsoft Launcher. You can install any other launcher that you like. Then open Microsoft Launcher. It's so easy to set it up. And you can add your Microsoft account to it. Okay, click on the top and allow resizing, don't mess again, and then if you full screen this app, you can see that the background is gone, and this is a problem, but it has an easy fix. Just drag to the corner of your screen and then just relaunch Microsoft Launcher. As you can see, it is working. Then open launcher setting and it should go to the tablet mode. If it didn't, it is an easy fix. Just reopen it, Microsoft setting, and just click on tablet. And it is easier to snap in the place. This is my personal preferences of customizability. I make my icon smaller because it's desktop, and hide the dock because you don't need it because you have a taskbar. Change some shortcuts so it's be easier to use with a trackpad. Just like Android, you can move apps to the home screen. And after some times of customizability, make sure to add Microsoft Launcher to your taskbar. And as you can see, just like a start, it is working. And as you can see, it is working perfectly. And if you like this video, you can subscribe and like. See you guys later.